Previously I was discussed about see here depending upon the size we represent as an polygon. Depending upon the size we represent as an polygon. Clear? And next we have uh, 3D, three-dimensional shapes. We represent as a three-dimensional shapes. Three-dimensional shapes means what? It has a shape what we are using in your day-to-day life. Okay, fine student. This will represent as an 3D shape. 3D shape you will be seeing like everything whatever you use in your day-to-day life we represent as that shape as an 3D shapes. For example, they given as a bowl, ice cream, a cylinder, cuboid, playing cube. This is a shape of a pyramid. Everything we represent as a cuboid. This will represent as a cuboid. Okay, student. Let me move to face, edge and vertex. We'll be representing as a face, edge and vertex student. In this face, edge, vertex, what we represent. Okay students, here let we see what is about your face, what is an edge and what is an vertex. Here it is students. Each side of the cube of a flat, this is called as an face. Two faces meet at a line segment, it is called an edge. Three edges meet at a point is called as an vertex. I'll be showing a figure with an example for you student. Okay, this is an box. Don't discuss about what is this, madam. Different, there's phone box and all. Okay, fine, student. Here, this is a representative flat. This is you have a flat, no? This flat one. This is represent as an face. Here, from this line will be represent as an edge. Okay, two face meet at the see here. Two face meet at a point. This meeting at a point. See here exactly I'm telling for you people that the two face, this face and this face meet at a point. This point we represent as an edge. Okay, where three line segment. This one, here this one, this one. This is represent as a vertex. What do you call it as a vertex? So this is a face, this is an edge, this is represent as a vertex. Face, edge, vertex. See here students, they are given the many example in this. You have a prism, cylinder, pyramid and circular shape, that is a sphere. Okay, see here you have a lines means sides means you will be having a different way. We represent as a quadrilaterals. When you have a 3D shape, we will be having a different way of writing this. Okay, students, that different way representing this. You have a shape like more than you have a thickness, you have a height, you have a height. This is represent as for you people, that is this is represent as a cuboid. For example, I'll be showing for you people as a paper. This paper represent as a quadrilateral because it does not have a width. Okay, fine. So let me discuss about what is a pyramid, cylinder or cone and sphere. Okay, a pyramid is a shape with a single base, the other faces are triangle. See your students, you will be having your triangle, the base will be your you will be having a single base. Single base means only one base will be having like this, only one base. Here you will be having one base, here you will be having a triangle. The face will be in the face is represented as a triangle. Next we have a cylinder. Okay student, in cylinder you have a cone shape it, okay, it will be having a two base, you will be having a two base, okay, and you have a fully circular one. When next you represent as a sphere, this will be represent, this is a cone shape students, you have one base and it is represent as having no straight edges will be represented, okay. Next we have a sphere you will, as you know, it is a nothing base will be having no flat surface at all, okay, fine. Here students, let we have a some of the figures, okay. A cuboid looks like a triangle box. It is a cuboid is a triangle box. It has six faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Your four faces. Each face has a four edges. So you have in one face you have a four edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each face has a four corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will be having 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Okay, fine. Next we discuss about a cuboid. A cuboid is cube is a cuboid whose edges are all are equal. Their are edges are all are equal, because cuboid means in the same sides they have a equal length, okay. It has dash faces. How many faces you have? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you will be having a 6. Each face has dash edges. So this edges face there, no. How many edges you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'll be having 4. Each face has dash vertex. In one face, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll be representing as an 4. Similarly, you have to find for next. Triangular pyramid. A triangular pyramid is a triangle base. You have a triangle base. This is known as an tetrahedragon. Tetrahedragon. Okay. Faces. How many faces you have? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will be having a 4 faces. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Edges. 1. In a one triangle base, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. In each faces, how much you have? 1, 2, 3. Corners, 1, 2, 3. In each faces I'm telling, not in total I'm telling, each faces. Similarly you have to find for the square, pyramid and triangular prism. Okay, fine students, you have square, pyramid and triangle based prism. Like this you have to find out, and already I was discussed about 5.9 in the previous video, and any doubts and the clarification you can ask me, and this is very important chapter for you students. Okay, thank you student.